Zimbabwe is a stage set for a dramatic act. The air crackles with tension. Beneath the surface of everyday life, a power struggle of immense proportions is unfolding. On one side stands Emmerson Mnangagwa, the current president, his grip on power seemingly firm. On the other, his deputy, Constantino Chiwenga, a man whose ambition and ruthlessness are legendary. Whispers of discord, once confined to the shadows, are growing louder. The relationship between these two men is complex, a tapestry woven from threads of shared history and mutual suspicion. They fought side by side to topple Robert Mugabe, their alliance a formidable force that promised a new era for Zimbabwe. Yet the triumph over one strongman seems to have merely paved the way for another power struggle. Mnangagwa, known as the crocodile for his calculated cunning, appears determined to consolidate his hold on power. Rumors swirl of secret meetings, of plans hatched behind closed doors to ensure his rule extends far beyond the 2028 elections. These whispers paint a picture of a leader willing to use any means necessary to maintain his grip on the country. Meanwhile, Chiwenga finds himself increasingly isolated. Once a powerful figure, his influence seems to be waning. Mnangagwa, it appears, is determined to clip his wings, to neutralize any potential threat to his authority. The stakes are high and the consequences of failure could be deadly. Mnangagwa is playing a dangerous game. His maneuvering to extend his rule beyond the constitutional 2 terms has set alarm bells ringing. Critics, both within Zimbabwe and internationally, see it as a blatant power grab. The whispers of secret deals and backroom negotiations only fuel these concerns. One of Mnangagwa's key tactics has been to systematically sideline potential rivals within the ruling ZANU-PF party. Chiwenga, with his military background and history of political maneuvering, represents a significant threat. By isolating him, Mnangagwa aims to weaken his power base and neutralize any potential challenge. This strategy, however, carries significant risks. Zimbabwe has a long and bloody history of political violence. Pushing Chiwenga too far could ignite a powder keg, plunging the country back into chaos. Mnangagwa is walking a tightrope, balancing his own ambition against the very real possibility of destabilizing the entire nation. The international community is watching with growing concern. Condemnations of Mnangagwa's power grab and the escalating human rights abuses under his watch are becoming more frequent. The European Union and the United States have both imposed sanctions. Yet Mnangagwa seems undeterred, his focus firmly fixed on consolidating his hold on power.